Hello, Education 570, and I hope that you have enjoyed your spring break, that you've had a chance to work on something other than this course, or just had a chance to kind of relax a little bit and refresh and recharge. As I know that this is a busy time of year, and we know we're heading into an even busier time this spring, every spring, so I hope that you've had a good, refreshing time away. And now we can start to look back again at some technology and how we apply it to our courses. All right, let's check out what we're going to do for Module 3. Using technology to motivate and engage. Through this module, you're going to discuss strategies for using technology to motivate, and you're going to create instructional videos aligned to a defined learning objective. So let's check out here. We've got Module 3's introduction, which you can make sure to check out as we start each module. Talks through some information about the overview of the course, of this section of the course. And now let's look at required readings. We have some videos here to check out, some websites, and some library articles. Please make sure that you check those out this week. And 3.1. We're only a couple of weeks into our course, but you've learned a lot of tech tools. Now, it's important to keep the learning and teaching goals in mind as we go forward. So, now that you've completed the reading, select a technology tool or an idea to focus on as you connect the tech to student motivation and engagement. So, in your initial post, explain your interpretation of what it means to use technology, and then include a link, an actual video, or an example if you've got it, and then respond to two of your other classmates. Initial post due by Wednesday at midnight, 2 response posts due by Sunday at midnight. Technology in action for this week. So for this one we have a couple of options. Three options there. So option 1, we're going to do video sharing and hosting sites. Read through all of that. Option 2 is a screencast. Option 3 is a flipped lesson. So you're going to pick one of those to do. You've got 3 options here on how to use some instructional videos. Your original post is due by Wednesday at midnight. Your response posts are due by Sunday at midnight. Assignment guidelines and rubrics here to check out as well, and then questions anyone if you've got any questions about the course. All right, make sure that you ask questions if you have any. I'm always happy to help. And here's to a great Module 3 as we work together. Thanks, everybody.